Moosend is a user-friendly email marketing platform that enables businesses to create, send, and analyze email campaigns effectively. Here's a concise guide to getting started. Sign up. Visit Moosend's website and create an account. They offer a free trial to explore their features. Set up your account. After registration, configure your account settings by entering your sender information and verifying your email address to ensure optimal deliverability. Manage contacts. Navigate to the audience section to create and manage your contact list. You can import contacts via CSV files or add them manually. Organize your contacts into segments for targeted campaigns. Create an email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create New Campaign. Choose a campaign type and enter the campaign details. Design your email using Moosend's drag and drop editor or select a template from their library. Send or schedule. After designing your email, select your target contact list and choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time. Analyze performance. Utilize Moosend's analytics to monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data helps refine future campaigns for better engagement.